How to check for updates on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make sure your device is running the latest software version. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Software Update. After that, tap Download and Install. At this point, your device will check for any available update. Following this, if one is found, review the details shown on screen. From here, tap Download to pull the update onto your device. Give it a moment while it downloads in the background. At this stage, once it finishes downloading, tap Install. Following this, your device will restart on its own to apply the update. Once it boots back up, go into Settings, then Software Update again, and check that it now shows your device is up to date. That's how you check for updates on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!